Now we have the Doogee Dk10 and the new Hotwav Hyper7Pro. We can check the appearance of both phones. Yes, from this angle we can find the thickness. Yes. Battery, the Dk10 is 5050, and for the Hyper7Pro is 10800, almost double times. And for the camera part, 200 megapixel, and this is maximum 50 megapixel Morpho, and this Hyper AI camera supported, and both support night vision. This get the infrared emitter here, and the sensor, dual screen, camera light, and this one is more simple. For Dk10 is simple, and for the camera zone, just normal framed camera zone, and for this cloud Paris looks more high-end and also luxury and business style. Both support the fingerprint power button, leather material, back panel, and this is carbon fiber. Okay, looks good, both looks good. Yes, from this angle we can go to the front side. Now this is the front side of both phone. From this angle we can also find the thickness of the phone, and also both support the waterproof, dustproof and drop proof. But for the Doogee, it have a dual speaker, and also here is a hole, and also here for the Hyper7Pro also have the stereo surrounded dual speakers here and here. Then customized key, frames, and the frame. Okay, we go to the settings to check more specification about these two devices. Okay, we can turn around, sunshine from this direction. This is the selfie camera, and check the difference. High, and we also too close to check the details of my face. The left one is Doogee Dk10 and the right one is Hotwav Hyper7Pro. Sky, you can find the sky. And okay, we go to the front, to real camera, and also test it, we can check it. Guys, simple calibration video about the Doogee Dk10 and the Hotwav Hyper7Pro, the camera test. Both support night vision, and one is 50 megapixel Morpho camera, and one is 200 megapixel Hyper AI camera and zoom. We have a zoom performance test, and okay, let's go to the camera test. We go to the real camera, and the left one is Doogee Dk10 and the right one is Hotwav Hyper7Pro. And for the Doogee, support 50 megapixel Morpho camera solution, and for the right one is the Hyper7Pro 200 megapixel Hyper AI camera. Okay, we can try to find difference and comparison these two devices. So first, check the glass. Left one is more dark and real. From my camera is not apparent, but I will put content at my video from the original phones. Okay, to the ground. From this angle, yes, to find the difference, it's more apparent from the two devices. So the right one have the more pixel, but I think it's a bit trick. This is the direction from the sunshine, and we can turn around, check again, walking to the trees, details. Yes, for the left one is more real and details, get more details. For this one is but broken light. And okay, so this was a short test for this part. Okay, this is a very simple and quick test on the camera. Thanks for this part. Okay, bye bye. Okay guys, now we do the video test of these two devices from Doogee Dk10 and the Hotwav Hyper7Pro. Okay, we shoot the green glass and also the plant, trees, and the sky. The sunshine is from this side, and also we from this side, the ground, the leaves, the house, and not walking. Okay, running. Okay. I put videos on my content. Okay, bye bye for this part. Okay guys, now we do the video test of these two devices from Doogee Dk10 and the Hotwav Hyper7Pro. Okay. We shoot the green glass and also the plant, trees, and the sky. The sunshine is from this side. And also we from this side, the ground, leaves, the house, and not walking. running. I put videos on my content. Okay, bye bye for this part. Okay guys, waterproof test for Doogee and Hotwav. High pressure. Pressure at 69K. You can feel the pressure. Yes. Still okay. Works. Still works. And still works. Nice.